rise up from
Reaction.
hair uncombed, tangled up, but gracefully falling. The scent of first morning. First morning. Pale and close, unguarded before him, but safe inside him. In love, he had secured.
Ano? Hindi na.
He has secured.
Her entity.
He is the risk he has taken. In risk, he has secured him.
Oh. Ano ba? Ano be? Parang mga boys, nandidiri sila.
Tomorrow should be lined up.
Yan.
Hair and comb tangled up but gracefully falling, the scent of first morning. Frailty unclothed, unguarded before him, but safe inside him. In love he has secured her uncertainty. He is the risk she has taken. In risk he has secured him.
Ang ganda na. Gusto ko yun. Yung he's the risk.
Comment! Panalo ang iyong mga tula.
Ating pahiram sa
Dati
siya.
Blonde hair. Magpapadali ang pagdating ng bridal for sure. Kaya lang, humarap ka
Kaya.
na tumalikod. Ay, hindi. I love you. No, Emily.
Dati siya.
Here's the next E, Elliot na.
Huwag yan, nakakaya.